Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to hide personal photos, videos or any other file on Android with password. So let's start. You are watching Root Expert for all technology lovers. First, we download the Gallery Vault application from Google Play Store. After installing the application, open it. Now tap on Start to Use button, then type your password. Now confirm the password by retyping. Then type your email address here and tap on Done button. Then select the blue plus button. After that, select the file you want to hide. After selecting some files or folders that you want to hide, then click on Add button. Then select a folder. Now your photos or videos have already hidden. You can change the app icon for extra protection. To change the app icon, click on the head icon here. Then tap on icon disguise. Now check mark icon disguise. Then try. Now long press calculator logo. Then enable now. Now your app icon changed to a calculator icon and you can use it as a normal calculator. Now how you can get found these files? Open Gcalculator, which is originally Gallery Vault application. Then tap on three dots menu button. Then need help. Now tap on how to enter advanced feature. Now type your password. Then tap on OK button. Then the Gallery Vault application will be opened. Now tap on cancel. Now you can get the files in the folder you selected when hide them. If you want to unhide them, just mark them and tap on unlock button and click on unhide. Then the files will be unhidden. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.